Hey guys, it's me, Kimberly. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, whether you are new or you've come back for more. If you did come back for more, thank you so much. I'm glad you have decided to stay a part of this family. If you are new, you should go ahead and join our little family by hitting the subscribe button down below. So I'm not going to ramble too much because I have already filmed this intro like a couple of times and I kept forgetting to turn my mic on, so I was going to edit the video and put it up and there was no sound. So we're just gonna do it. So as you can tell by the title, this is a plus size try on haul. You guys know I do this like about once a season. I don't think I did anything for winter this year, but I do this about once a season. So this is my spring / summer haul. I might do another summer haul once it actually gets summertime, but really this is mostly spring stuff. Some of it will be for summer. We went shopping. I was looking for shorts and dresses for we're road tripping to California next month in May, and we're going to gay camp. So I wanted like summery things that were quick to put together, easy to put on, fast, warm. I mean, not warm, good for warm weather, and just super cozy while still being cute. Because all my cozy clothes, it's not cute. And I want to be one of those people that they're like, oh, I just threw this on. And they like literally just threw it on, and they still look cute. So that's what we got going on. I was trying to bring like a table so I could actually have this clothes set in front of me, but I think I left it upstairs and everything in here is dirty because of putting up drywall. I'm trying to think if there's anything I could improvise. I could probably pull this desk over. Let's do that because I don't know how I can do this clothes otherwise. And as you can tell, we're in a different background. We're still in the basement. My backdrop's over there. We're using my fireplace as the backdrop today. It's not going to be permanent. I'm still kind of trying to figure things out since I moved spaces. Right now I have a black backdrop up because I was doing photos for a school assignment, and I just didn't think that was the best backdrop for a clothing haul, so I just twisted everything around and fireplace. So yeah, and it's like wood on that side and drywall on this side because I'm still changing the walls. Yeah, it's all a mess down here. So let's start with some clothes. Everything is in the wrong bags because I did already show all this stuff, and you guys, I told you we're doing it all over again. So if I remember where it's from, I'll tell you. I should be able to remember where most of it's from. This is from Charlotte Russe. They have a great plus size section. It used to be really small and they only had like t-shirts, like, you know, the basics, but lately they've been getting better and better. I mean, I'm talking in store. Online they have a great selection, but I don't like buying online because the sizes are never completely accurate. So I went in store, and this is just a super cute surplice top. So it crisscrosses. I guess I should be taller so you guys can see everything. Just a bunch of fidgeting. Eventually I will figure out how my filming setup is going to be in this space, and then my videos will have a lot less fidgeting. Okay, so it's a bright pink, almost purple. I guess you could call this fuchsia. And it's surplice, so it cuts across. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I've only seen that like written. I've never heard it spoken. And it's a crop top. It's a little longer than most crop tops, so it covers the waist, which I like because the roll that I am most self-conscious about is on my waist. And a lot of crop tops just want to cut right above that, and then my roll just hangs out. But this one is a little bit lower without being too long. Because, you know, some crop tops are just long and they just look like a short shirt. This still looks like a crop top. It is long sleeve and has bell sleeves, I guess is what you would call it, at the end to cover the hands. Super cute. If you're curious, I got this in a 3X. Almost all my tops are 2 or 3X depending on the store, the brand, the style, and occasionally it's a 1X, but I don't think I got anything 1X here. And that was Charlotte Russe. When I'm editing, I will try and see if I can link everything down below, like if it's online, and if I can find it, and if I don't forget, and just if I can, because there is actually a lot of clothes here. So, yeah. I'll try my best to link this stuff down below. So this is another top from Charlotte Russe, and I got this one in a 2X. It's this beautiful floral pattern. Honestly, when I first saw it, I was like, that's kind of a grandma pattern, you know? It's not like a modern floral print, but it kind of is. So it's got the large flowers, which is more modern, but just like the coloring makes it look kind of vintage. It's got like 3/4 length sleeves, but they're really wide, so they're real billowy. And then it's kind of open, almost like a collar, and it also is like a surplice, I guess. I really hope I'm saying that, because I'm going to say it a few times in this video. But rather than being connected at the bottom like the pink one was, it's actually got, this is so hard to show you guys. You'll get to see it when I put it on, but it's got ties. So it's got little strings that go into little holes in the shirt, and then you wrap it around your waist and tie it. So it is super cute. I saw it and I was like, I don't know. Is it going to look too grandma-y or not? It's super thin material, but as you can see, it's pretty opaque. Like, there might be, in certain lightings, it might be a little bit see-through, but it's not going to be full-on see-through. But it's still thin, so it'll be great in warm weather, which I love. Okay, next up is, this is one of the basics I got from Charlotte Russe. So this is in a 2X, and it's still a little big. This is something I could have gotten in a 1X. And it is a crisscross t-shirt. So it's got the little crisscross strings here, and t-shirt sleeves. It's rolled. I'm not sure if you guys can see that detail, but they're rolled up sleeves. And then at the bottom, it ties, because it's a short top. Like, it's not quite a crop top. It's one of those in between, except it actually looks cute being in between. So it doesn't just look weird. And then it ties, so it's super cute, but it's just a basic, can be worn with like shorts or jeans or something. Now this was just too cute for me to pass up, but they did not have it in a bigger size. So I'll show you, I'll still try it on for you guys, but it is a little bit small. Like, I'm gonna have to lose a little bit more weight before this fits. This I got in a 1X from, again, Charlotte Russe. It's this like hoodie, but it's like an oversized hood, so it's like that cool look, like when people have the big billowy hoods. And it's in this super cute gray floral pattern, super modern, super trendy. The sleeves obviously are long sleeve because they're a sweater, but it has these little, I guess you could call it gray bands. It might look white on camera, but they're like gray bands that just add a little bit of athleticism. I don't even know. It adds a little taste of athleticness to the shirt and just looks cute. And then it goes in, it like tightens in at the sleeve, which I love when tops do that. It's got the drawstring, and then it is actually a crop top. Super cute. It's a little bit of a shorter crop top than what I would normally like, but again, it is also one size too small for me. It is just so cute, and since I am losing weight, I figured might as well. So these are from Rue 21, and I have 3 of these just in different colors, and they're just shorts. Actually, I should have 4. I think I wore the pink ones, and now they're upstairs. So they got the little, they're like track shorts, so they've got the stripes and drawstring, and they're just little shorts. These are super cute. They're so trendy and like comfy, and everybody always wears them, but I could never find them in my size, or if they were in my size, they looked really weird on me. These are actually cute and cozy and comfy for PJs or wearing out of the house, like. So I got them in black and gray and blue, and I got them in a salmon color, but those are upstairs apparently. So this is from Forever 21 plus size, and this is actually a skort. So it's a black with tiny little floral print, but it's kind of a 90s feel to it, which is totally fitting because while it looks like a skirt, again, it's a skort. So it's got the shorts underneath, and then it's got this little tie waist string thing around it. So just super cute, super flowy, thin material, but like you can wear it in the heat, but since it has the shorts, you know, not as much chafing. And I got these in a 3X. I wanted them to be extra billowy because I've gotten some like this before that were actually shorts, and they just look better when they're billowy. Let me put this stuff in a bag so I can have room on this table. Oh, apparently I have this t-shirt out of the bag. So my wife and I actually got matching t-shirts from Rue 21 with those shorts. And it's just like a baby blue with this salmon-y orange color. And I got a 2X, my wife got a 1X. Oh, the shorts that I got from Rue 21 were all 2Xs. And then along here it has honey across it. So this salmon-y color is the shorts that I got, so like it matches really well with this. That's why I got it. Okay, so this should all be Forever 21. This is just a basic t-shirt, but I wasn't going to get it. But I couldn't not get it, because Selena. I mean, literal queen. So I had to get it. They didn't actually have it in my size, so I went bigger. And I got the 3X, which I told you sometimes 3X fits. But in t-shirts, 3X is huge, and you'll see it's like a dress. But I do plan on distressing it a little bit, making it a little bit more trendy, and then it'll be okay that it's too big, because I'll just wear it with like leggings. So next up is another floral print crop top. If you can't tell, that's what I'm leaning towards this season, this year. I think it's very in. So this is another 90s kind of theme. This is 3X also. So it's got this black and white floral print, but this is very vintage style print. Like, you have not seen this kind of floral print in a while. And then the sleeves, where'd you go, sleeves? They're just basic sleeves. They're long sleeve though, not too tight, not too loose. And in the center here, it actually has some ruching. I'm not sure if that's gonna show up, but it actually has ruching down the center, which goes down into little tie strings where it splits apart. And again, it's a crop top, but at the bottom it has like this little flare ridged, and then it's super like feminine and girly and thin, so it's billowy, and it's great for the heat time, the summertime. I don't know, I just thought it was super cute. Dang it, I think I broke my nail again. Ow, it's catching on everything. This, I think, was from Forever 21. You know, they like to take band t-shirts and distress them, so this is a t-shirt that I got in a 3X? Yeah, it's a 3X. It's got the like cut neck, and then it goes down into a deep V. It's AC/DC. How can you not love them? And then it's just basic t-shirt, and it's a regular t-shirt, but they have it tied up, and I thought that was really cute, so I'm probably going to leave it tied. But you can untie it, and it's just like a regular t-shirt. And then on the back, it's all ripped up again. So just really fun, trendy distressed t-shirt. Next up is another crop top. So this is, yeah, everything else is from Forever 21. So this is also from Forever 21, and it's just a basic top that I just thought, you know, you need it. It's a basic. Every girl should have something like this in her closet, and it's just a black crop top. But again, it's with the 90s theme that's coming back hard this year. So it's got like the scalloping along the edges, and it's like elastic, and it's got it along the sleeves, and the bottom's not elastic, but it does have the scalloping again. So it's just, I don't know, it's super cute on. It's a basic, just add to your collection. I would get it in other colors, but in the plus size, they only had it in black. In the regular size, they had it in like multiple colors. But I could probably find them online. So just super cute and kind of retro while still being trendy. This, I looked at it and I was like, it's either really, really ugly or it's super freaking gorgeous. So I got this in a 3X as well. It is this white, off the shoulder, just regular shirt. It's like linen or cotton. It feels more like linen, but I'm sure it's cotton. Yeah, mostly cotton with a little bit of spandex. So it has like a nice stretch, but it's like a thick, sturdy material. And it's just white and billowy, and then you have the sleeves. And these are like, I don't know what these are called. I guess you could call them bell sleeves. I'm just going to call them pirate sleeves because, I mean, look at that. It's like kind of ruffled because it's ruched up and then sewn into place, so you can't undo the little pleating. It makes me think flamenco dancer or pirate, you know, stuff like that. It's super cute. Just on regular, it's kind of like, but the moment you tuck it in, it's like, whoa, freaking gorgeous. I'll show you guys it both tucked out and tucked in because literally I wasn't sure if I was going to buy it until I tucked it in, and then I was like, no, I need that. Okay, and then the last thing in this section from Forever 21, still, in a size 3X, is this jumper dress. So it's got, again, the floral. I freaking love floral. When I was going through my closet in the wintertime and putting away my floral stuff, putting away my summer and spring stuff, everything was freaking floral. But this year, all the floral prints are a little more vintage themed. They're a lot more 90s hip. So it's just like a loose v-neck, almost a scoop neck, but it's a v-neck. And it goes a decent amount down, just basic sleeves. Kind of comes in at the waist, has a string. It's got a zipper down the back, but it's hidden, it's not exposed. And then it has like a hole. I'm not sure why, but it does. You can't actually see anything from that. And it is floor length. So it's floor length, but it has a slit that goes all the way up to the waist. And then underneath it has shorts that are in the exact same pattern, so it matches. It's not like black. But it's just super cute, and it looks like a great dress, but then you have the shorts, so you don't have to worry about that slit being so high. And I think we are going to split this into 2 videos because it's already been 20 minutes and this is the first half. I still have 2 more bags over there, so that's it for part 1. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at SheWhoSpeaks _ instead of spaces. I'm also on Snapchat at Kimberly.Nicole with a K, not a C. Go ahead and click on my face to become an adventurer and join our little family. And if you want to watch another one of my videos right now, there will be 2 on the screen for you to choose from. Thanks for watching. Bye.